Hi, it's Lisa Treu. If you are thinking of painting your house, one of the biggest decisions is what color paint to use. It seems pretty simple, right? You grab your color palette, pick a color you like, and go to the paint store and get it. But wait, that color that you fall in love with here may not be the way it looks on your wall. Here's some tips in picking the color that ultimately you will love. Now we're painting, and one of the things that I loved about my color was the blue on my upstairs loft. But this paint was done many years ago, and we can't find the color, so what do? Well, I grabbed my color chart and I held it to the wall, and I just knew I had found the right color. And yet we wanted to be sure. So we got a sample, and we had this, choice number one. You can see that what we thought was perfect was not the right color. You can see we tried many colors here, and still we had the wrong color. So what did we do next? Well, here's a great tip. We took a spot that was not out front, so kind of hidden, and we took off the exact color and we took it to the pros. They were able to tell us what color this was. And you can see right here, you can barely notice the difference. So tip number one, don't rely on this little tiny sample. Get a sample color and put it up on the wall. Now, tip number two, let's take a little trip and let me show you the number two tip in painting. Tip number two, colors will look differently depending on your lighting and what is around them. Be sure to check several spots to make sure you love the color throughout the home. This is our main house color, and I wanted to see how it would look with our new kitchen backsplash. I also wanted to check the color in our family room with our brand new couch. Making sure it looks wonderful with your current furnishings that you have is key. Painting your home is a great way to give it an update and a refresh. Take a little time testing the colors to make sure you get the look that you love. Also, Pinterest is a great place to look at popular colors and to see if there's some inspiration there for you. When you're selling or when you just purchased a home, painting is an inexpensive way to make your home shine. If you have any questions, give me a call, 561-352-3056.